all 5 of my viewers.
Numero uno. Tyler Fleming on the 2. Nathan Wolvers on the 3. Ryan Cox on the 4. Ryan Burnt on the 5. Hang on. What do you want?
What race are we going?
We're on 22. Hurry up.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Alright, let's try this again.
I was told him we're on whatever race that guy's in.
Where's the marshals? Oh, marshals are good. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. Alright, once again, West 6 on the 1, Tyler Fleming on the 2, Nathan Wolvers on the 3, Brian Cox on the 4, Ryan Burnt on the 5, TJ Williams on the 6, Chili, Trevor Duncan on the 7, Justin Stevie on the 8, and your 2 bump-ups, Brady Papadow and Phil Palmer. Marshall's looking good. Driver's looking good. This is an 8-minute 13.5 stadium truck A-main. Shake and bake at the tone. Here we go. All West with a little hiccup. Who's going to get through? I think that's Wolvers. Yes, it is. Oh, West gets to the back of him and gets the worst end of it. So Tyler Fleming, your leader. Followed by Nathan, then Brian Burnt up to the 3 spot. Chili Duncan 4. TJ Williams in the 5. They're all rolling over on that double coming straight at the driver's stand. So 3-truck breakaway. Tyler, Nathan, and Brian Burnt. Tyler up on the pipe. Nathan gets around to the lead.
Time it up, Tyler.
Brian gets around for second now. Oh, Brian on the pipe. Tyler's going to get that. Here comes Chili and TJ. And then your TQ West 6. Justin Stevie back there. Then popping out Brian Cox and Phil Palmer. Everybody's still on the lead lap. We got 2 minutes in, 6 minutes left to go. Nathan Wolvers raced 4 classes this weekend. Trying to take home some hardware. Before that double comes straight at you. If anything, it's almost better to overjump that thing than it is to underjump it. Top 3 as they head down the straightaway. West 6 has worked himself back up to 4th. Then you got Chili Duncan, Justin Stevie, and then TJ, Brian, Brady, and Phil. Again, everybody's still on the lead lap. We got 2:40 down in this one. We are about halfway through our 10 classes here at the ProTek RC 110 Scale Spring Off-Road Championships. The ProTek race. From henceforth, you shall be known as the ProTek race. That was a really bad Revenge of the Sith Emperor impersonation, so just throwing that out there. Sorry. Brian, all over Tyler Fleming, that's for second. Yeah. There's Wolvers. Leading us out, almost a straightaway lead now over these two. And West 6 is climbing his way back up. Uh-oh, Warner's on his lid. Tyler gets the spot back. Brian Burton was there, but Alex with the quick marshal. West 6 is down there. We got these four.
I don't want anything like it's empty.
This is what it's all about. 3:40 left to go here in Stadium Truck. It's Tyler, Nathan, Brian, and Wes back together again like the Biden family at a Chinese buffet. Down the straightaway we go.
Where's your water winners like that, Scotty?
Boy, good line there from Nathan. He made up almost 3 feet right there on Tyler.
What lines like that? Yeah, you don't know.
Let me get up on 2 wheels. Your top 4 down the straight. They've got a pretty big gap over Chili Duncan right now, running in 5th. TJ with a solid 6th place run with Brady and Brian Cox. So we're watching the race for the win and for the rest of the podium. Brian Burnt trying to hold West 6 off. Oh, West got a much better line. Oh, never mind. Tyler and Nathan Wolvers up over the big tabletop. They got 2:25 to figure this one out. Again, these trucks, sometimes these longer mains, motors start to struggle, batteries start to struggle. Luckily, this class not really doing the triple, so it kind of takes that out of the equation. At our summer series, the Team Associated Reedy Powered Summer Series, we run 8-minute mains all year long. TJ, leaders will be coming up to you next. It's going to be first place behind you. 1:45 left to go. Ryan closing in on Nathan Wolvers just a little bit here. That's for second as they go down the straight. First, second, third, separated by just a single straightaway. TJ, again, that's going to be the leader behind you, so when he does catch you, make sure you let him go. If he catches you, oh, Nathan bounces off the middle tabletop. Brian Burke gets around. Lots of traffic in front of your leaders here shortly. Brady and TJ, eventually, that'll be the leader. You guys keep racing until he catches you, then let him go. 1 minute on the clock.
1 minute left.
That red truck in front of you, Brady, that's your leader. Don't run into him. Thank you. The blue truck and then the orange truck will be next if they catch you. You got 30 seconds. Tyler Fleming trying to hang on here to this one. Oh, Wolvers upside down. I'll probably put a fork in it for the race for seconds.
What happened to West?
Now he's got to worry about West. West rolled it over too, so
Got into that guy.
Fleming up over the wall jump from Brian Burke, up over the wall jump, still straightaway stepping first and second now. This should be the last lap. I think Nathan's going to get one more. I think West is going to get one more. I'm not sure about Chili. No, you're not. Cross the line, you're going to be done. Brian Burke's not close enough yet. Tyler Fleming going to take the win. Brian Burke's going to get second.
Hey, you got me?
Nathan Wolvers just has to turn the corner here and get third. West 6 is going to get fourth. And that will do it. Excellent. Race number 22 is done. Okay, 2-wheel drive buggy, and then we're going to run a vintage main.